Hello, fellow crafters and paper artisans. It's Chandra with Stacked and Stuff. I am here to share a project share, and I saw this Z-fold style cross card from Lynn Dunn a couple of weeks ago, and I really thought it was so pretty, and I had the materials to make it, and I wanted to give them to my volunteer group, and so I'll be doing that today as I see them. And so I wanted to share how they turned out, and there's the picture from her, and she does a tutorial in various steps. And I used some flourish envelopments from Paper Studio, and I used them all. There was 12 in here. I actually made 20 cards, but I used something else. I'm just going to show you the first 12. And then I had these small Darice embossing folders that were just kind of floral, and so I used those, and I did them in sets, so you'll see the cross, so both pieces have, you know, this one or this one. I didn't mix them up. It was just easier for me to use two different ones so I could cut them faster because I was bulk making. I used this color block bright splash paper from well, I got it from Ollie's for $1.99. There was 30 sheets, and I bought it because I just thought it would be really cool for like backgrounds. And then when I saw her papers and the various colors, and of course she's using Stampin' Up, and I said, hey, I got some colors that I could use for that. So here are my beautiful cards, and you see my palm leaf there, and there's my embellishment. So that's one of those embossing folders, and there's the other. I don't know if I have any Easter stamps that are not about the Easter Bunny, and so I just did these on my computer. You know, I just did He Is Risen. I didn't try to mix them up. They're going to different people to different places. And then I did, I think, 6 different sentiments that I just asked ChatGPT to give me Easter card sentiments, and they gave me 6. And so I just put them on a Word document or a Google Doc and resized them so that they would fit in my space. And for the most part, I did pretty good as far as getting a full sheet in here. So I love the way they came out, and so it was 3 cuts of the paper. I was able to make 2 cards out of an 8.5 by 11, and I made multiple cards because I used a 12 by 12 sheet. So for the most part, I did like green, blue, peachy orange type of colors, and I just took out papers that I liked, and I just used them all until I ran out. I have minimal scraps, and because I was only going to make 16 cards, but I still had some paper I had cut, so I did 4 more. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day. I know it's been a while since I've been on. I've been working on a project for a friend that's running for an office, and then I just been relaxing because that's what retirement is. So I'm going to try to get back in the craft room. I have a couple of collabs this week that I need to get to, and of course it's sheet load day. So no April Fools. Let's have a good week. Thanks for watching.